Some deer?
Look at them. 3 deer. Gotta be around.
Yeah, you can smell them.
Yeah, you can smell them, huh? I bet you they're on there. Oh, weird. Okay, which way?
Straight.
Where are you?
Maybe that's why they put deer in this.
Tail?
What if we say that boy he
Had
asked
some chicken.
Yeah.
Some sort of meat. They love hot dogs.
but some of the junky ones. Daddy,
Yeah.
most of the kids say, I know which one these kids. He walked all the way over to you and he pointed to that one and they did it.
Nathan, you want me to dangle you over the rail and you can stand on his back?
No?
Seriously? Oh,
Show that pokey guy?
yeah. It won't hurt. Want me to eat your steak, please?
So actually pokes it out. And then they poke it on.
You want to poke the eye, Faya? How long is that thing? Like 10 feet?
No, probably not that long.
Look. Look at the
Yeah,
tail.
probably tip till. Whoa! That one's rad. Nice. He's just chilling there, huh? Oh, and Nathan, he opened his eye, buddy. Look. He opened up his eye. Stand there so I can get some scale.
Daddy, look at that balloon right there.
Yeah.
Hello.
Looks like a misshapen chicken. Oh, hey, there's another one over there. Yeah?
En Navidad
They showed us the way
Yeah? Yep.
Big Mac.
the train, don't they think? Daddy, that's the train.
Yeah, we're going there right now, son.
Daddy.
That's it. I'm tired of waiting. Going by myself. Look, Nathan, there's one right here, buddy. Check it out.
Lana, look how big this one is. Right here.
¿Dónde? To the right, to the right. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Nathan, look at this. He's looking at me. He's saying, mmm, tasty.
Daddy saw a bigger one.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, look at that beautiful thing. He's saying hello. Nathan, let me get a picture of your wonderful face real quick. All right, now do something silly. Okay, silly again. I thought you were gonna get eaten. Son? Sure, buddy. Okay, now don't walk on that screen, okay? Buddy, walk out there on the net.
My dad did.
You're crazy. A hug, Gator. There you go.
Nathan, you want to see the alligator? They're hot dogs.
Hey, get ready, sweetie, because look at this one. They go, it goes crazy for it. Yeah, look.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. Ready? Ready, guys? Let me go first.
Whoa.
See, Nathan, wait.
Daddy, no.
Throw it right in his face.
Here.
Daddy, someone.
You want to throw one? Okay, here.
Whoa.
Throw it in, Bell. Good job, Bell. He's going to get yours next.
Oh, there he goes. Come on, get it. You can smell it.
It's making you work for it.
I know. Want me to get it? Oops.
Oh, I think little fish are eating it.
Oh,
Oh, look, the fishes are eating it. Watch,
silly
he's gonna
Gator.
get it. He's gonna get it right now.
You know what it
Whoa!
was? He was conserving energy
Fish and
by
all.
letting the fish push it towards him.
It ate the fish. Look, it ate the little fishies too.
No.
There's one more piece over there. Let me see.
Got it?
Got it. Let's see how good they can sense, they can smell.
Huh? No, they're in his belly now.
They're in his belly now. They were together eating the hot dog.
They're coming.
There's another piece over there. That was neat.
Are you gonna do this?
Come on, you silly animal. You know what would be nice? Oh shoot, I should have left a little piece to give it to one on land. That way you can see him walking. All right, Croc. That's it.
You lost your